A very good morning, friends. You are watching my YouTube channel Speaks. Today I bought one unboxing of Lenovo PHAB2. This I purchased from Flipkart. There is a sale going on from 21st to 24th January. I ordered it on 22nd and today on 24th I got it. So let's start. First let me open it. Bubble pack. Let me remove it. A big box is there. I just cut the seals on both the sides and open the box for you. PHAB2. Before that, this is the box. Lenovo PHAB2, and few features are given over there. 360-degree noise cancellation, all day long battery, dual SIM, 13 megapixel AR camera, Android technology, and Dolby audio. Basically its price was 12,000 rupees when it was launched in 2 years back, but now I got it only for 7,999. It was a very good deal for me, and it has got 16.4 centimeter, that is 6.4 inches of display, 32 GB inbuilt memory, Wi-Fi is there, LTE is there, and Marshmallow, Android Marshmallow is there. The battery is 4050 mAh and 3 GB RAM, and MediaTek 8735 1.3 GHz 16-bit 64-bit processor is there. So I think it is a very good deal. Those who want to have a big phone like this, it is a very good option for them. This is the phone, and it is the sticker over there. It is given some features. Let me remove it, put it aside. Now on the right hand side there is power on button, volume rocker. On the top hand side, noise cancellation mic is there, 3.5 mm jack is there. At the bottom, charging port is there and 2 speakers are there. Sound is very good, I think. And on the left hand side, SIM slot is there. And before that, let me show what is there in the box. In the first packet it is SIM insertion pin, I think. Yes, it is a pin. Then some documentation. Lenovo product packaging list is there. Then quick start guide is there, warranty card is there, and important instruction manual is there. Let me put it aside. And on the left hand side it is good. It is a earphones, okay quality earphones, and USB cable is there. This should be the charger, I think. Yeah, this is the charger. Travel charger. Input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.3 ampere. Output 5.2 volts, 2 ampere. Made in China. Of course, these days most of the things are made in China, but that is okay. Lenovo is a good brand. I have used some products of it, and it is a trusted brand, so we can go for it. Let me put them aside. I just switch it on. This is a huge phone, and it has got a very good battery, 4050 mAh. Sound is very good. Basically I purchased it mainly for its Dolby Atmos speakers. Audio is very good, And if I want to watch TV and all that, I have already set the pattern over here. So if you are a media freak person, you want to browse and you want to watch some videos and you want to watch some TV and all that, then it is a very good deal for you. And those who love having big things in their hands, it's a very big and good deal. Display is quite nice. It is not full HD, but it is HD, 1280 by 720, and definitely it will consume less battery as compared to full HD. This is one more reason, and the body is full metallic. It is another reason to purchase it. Let me go to the settings. And about the phone, it is Android version 6.0. Android Marshmallow is there, and quad core 1.3 GHz processor is there. RAM is 3 GB. This is RAM 3 GB. Storage 32 GB. Let me check the camera. This is the front camera, 5 megapixel, and the back camera is 13 megapixel. Some shadow is coming. Otherwise, camera is, there is no doubt about it. It is very good. LENOVO is number one in camera, I think, and battery is also good. Processor is 1.3 GHz quad core. MediaTek processor is there. So you cannot say that it is a very good for gaming, but you can go it for watching videos and having calls. So friends, I think it's a very good deal which I got only for rupees 7,999 from Flipkart. Otherwise this used to be of 12,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees of discount is there. Although software is a bit obsolete, not obsolete, but it is current, I think. But you will get update or not, it's not sure about it. But even that is okay. Those who want a big device in their hand, it is very good. Look wise, it is premium. Champagne gold colors there. Camera is very good. Battery is very good. And not so many softwares are there. Dolby is there. This is very good about it. Music. So these are the controls of Dolby. So friends, it's a very good deal for me, and I think those who want a big device with big battery and a decent display, it is very good. They can go for it. You can get it at Flipkart. Quite handy for my big hands. For elderly people who don't want to stress their eyes, it is very good for them. And those who want to get more entertainment on their devices, it is very good for them. If you want to watch TV, if you want to watch videos on them, if you want to browse internet, it is very good for them. So friends, I think this review is coming to its end. This was all that I got unboxed for you today. So I will definitely give more reviews when I use it for some time. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel so that I can give more and more videos to you. I can bring more news about gadgets and technology for you. And thank you very much for watching this video till end. Have a nice day. Bye bye.